Want to learn this digital clock trick in Excel? Watch this 1-minute video tutorial to get started. Select the cell, type equals now function to display the current date and time, and press enter. Now increase font size as per your requirement. Change font to digital 7 or other. Select the cell, press Ctrl+1, and apply the format as shown in the video. Go to the Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. Click Insert, choose Module. Type or paste this code. Click on Run. Close window. See the result. The cool digital trick is working. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.